This is an inspection of another srm230, I think, and some other ones that are similar to the other one I was working on. But all of them have been flooded, the piston cylinder are stuck, and there's no cheap rebuilds. So there's maybe we'll be able to get some good parts. At least they've got some good weed eater shafts on them that will be used for something else. One thing that I found out maybe the most annoying thing about these Echoes is that they use the torque screws, and when they get real rusty or they get water in them and stuff like that, they are very hard to get out. And then I can't ever find those bits. They're not all like the one size, they're all different sizes, and it's just hard to find. And I'm telling you, that was probably the most frustrating part about taking these apart. And the Echoes, I love when like the Steels just have the T25 screws. Makes it so much easier.